Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're going to watch this video. If this is the first time to come across my video, I'm Francis Fawai, a Sagalinian YouTuber based in Mile 91. So, guys, in today's video, we are coming to cook for baby Divine, our first special life. Like, we went to the hospital and her health is fine. She's okay, but the doctor said I should be giving. She recommends some food like rice, fish, potato leaf, and other ingredients I should be giving her for. So today I said, okay, let me come and cook for this baby. So guys, let me show you my ingredients. All right. Okay. I took a little beans also, and this is my potato leaf. Yeah, the remaining ones are there. I'm not going to use all, so this is what I'm going to use for her today. Yeah, I think I'm coming to add the beans a little. Yeah. Guys, I'm done removing the bones from the fish. So this is it. I'm going to put it in the food. Yes, so the afternoon. So guys, let's take some rice. I think this rice is okay. Let's come and wash it. So guys, I've sliced my onion and my ogui. This is a corner and my fish. Okay, let's take a look at what is boiling. So guys, as you can see, I'm going to smash all this fish. It's going to be scattered. Let's put our potato leaf. Let's cover. I only have my onion now. Yes, afternoon. And my ogre. Come to put the ogre. Because this is Benny. It's good. Guys, this is our ogre. I'm going to put in. Wash my hands. Let's see one something.
The labor cook for divine. It's now onions. We call her yabas.
So that's on you, interpreter.
I hope I can make it.
Party begin food.
Me and did not go for Did ya?
Never can happen. Keep in mind this one.
That is so good. You're serving more good. I take an apple also.
And just take up a cup.
You take a
Small. Have you on beds? Are divine in rest? Taste. Taste. Guys, let's see our rice. Oh. Divine is hungry now, guys. Yeah, just waiting for this rice to get dry now. But it is well cooked now. Divine said, yeah, it's hush. So guys, Divine has been bothering me now. She's hungry. Let's cut on rice. Huh? You hear her crying? She wants to eat now. Hush! Deva, give me a plate. Sorry. Send the book to Hush. Hush. Precious. And Divine has been crying for this food. See her eating. I know the secret now. I know her secret now. Oh, this food is very, very delicious. She was not eating because I was giving her other food. But since morning, she has only eaten pawpaw. She has only eaten pawpaw as breakfast. So now Right, for the first time today. Yes. So I'm using this because we are going to stain ourselves. She's holding my hand. I'm not near you. What's that? This is going to be messy, guys. This old mommies, they want to eat Divine's food. Divine, so make it close.
Ready, go in. Come here. Go back. Yeah. Go.
That was so hungry. Guys, we managed to eat a little. We managed to eat a little. Yeah. Let me give her water. Sorry. Fully got you. What did Divine do? I'm not picking. Like, let can go by like beach. Stop, Ule. I'm not going to do that. Come on, go. You have to go give me vest now. Then come in.
Yes.
Right. Lagi abi, eh? Look at me close.
Oh, you don't eat that.
So guys, we are done eating for now. See, the clothes are here. See, the pets for the buying food. Now that's my guys. So maybe that guy. When I don't plan to tell you what's fine, you give it what's yeah. What are the guys? Eat small, yeah. Nice. What do you make my even else, yeah? So guys, thanks for watching. Love you. Divine say love you. Hey, say say love you.
Me, I want to go so bad.